Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to the Drill Brush Power Scrubber, your new secret weapon for tackling those tough bathroom messes with ease. Let's dive right in and see what makes this scrub brush kit a game changer for your cleaning routine. First up, let's talk about versatility. This kit features a range of household cleaning brushes designed to make your life easier. From the jumbo original brush, perfect for those larger surface areas, to the 4-inch flat scrub brush that cuts through messes with ease, and the 2-inch flat detail brush for those harder to reach spaces, no mess is ever out of reach. Plus, with the 5-inch long reach extension, you can tackle even the most stubborn grime without breaking a sweat. Now, let's focus on the bathroom scrubber brush itself. The jumbo original brush is a larger version of the popular bullet-shaped brush, giving you a wider range of cleaning power when tackling bathroom messes. Whether you're cleaning corners, contours, or behind toilets and sinks, this brush has got you covered. It's your new go-to bath cleaning brush for all those hard-to-reach places, and it's guaranteed to become your new favorite tile cleaner brush. But wait, there's more. The 4-inch flat bathtub scrubber yellow brush is perfect for those larger surface areas, making quick work of any flat cleaning need you may encounter. And with a simple tilt, it transforms into a grout cleaning brush, digging deep where grime likes to hide most. Plus, the 2-inch flat tight corner power scrubber brush is perfect for those tight corners and crevices, giving you all the power of our larger brush sizes with far more control and maneuverability. The Drill Brush store offers different colored kits, each tailored to specific cleaning needs. White soft brushes, ideal for delicate surfaces like carpet, upholstery, leather, glass, and more. These white bristles are comparable to a toothbrush, making them perfect for gentle scrubbing without causing any damage. Yellow, green, blue medium brushes, perfect for tackling tile and grout, fiberglass showers, siding, linoleum, and general purpose cleaning. Our most popular brushes are the yellow and green ones. You can interchangeably use the medium brushes, and the different colors allow you to separate your brushes to prevent cross-contamination. Red stiff brushes. These bad boys are designed for heavy-duty outdoor cleaning tasks like brick, stone, fireplace, loose paint, and rust removal. The red brushes are perfect for tackling rough-textured surfaces, including concrete and garage floors. Black ultra-stiff brushes. Need to strip loose paint, descal, or perform heavy-duty brick and mortar cleaning? Look no further than the black ultra-stiff brushes. These brushes are used for heavy-duty industrial stripping and harsh scrubbing applications. In conclusion, whether you're tackling big bathroom cleaning tasks or small touch-ups, the Drill Brush Power Scrubber by Useful Products has a brush to fit them all. Say goodbye to scrubbing for hours on end and hello to a faster, more efficient cleaning routine. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever cleaned without it. So go ahead, give your bathroom the deep clean it deserves with the Drill Brush Power Scrubber. Your future self will thank you.